friends, welcome to Kalsi Estates, and today we are going to speak about Adhiraj developer at Kharghar, and the project name is Adhiraj Capital City. So basically, this is developed by Xanadu developer, और Xanadu developer जो भी है अपने प्रोजेक्ट का नाम आधिराज के नाम से वो शुरू करते हैं, फिर आगे प्रोजेक्ट का नाम रखते हैं जैसे कैपिटल सिटी। तो आधिराज कैपिटल सिटी ये प्रोजेक्ट का नाम है। तो ज़्यादातर लोग ज़ैनाडू डेवलपर्स नहीं बोलते, आदिराज डेवलपर ही बोलते हैं, क्योंकि वो अपना प्रोजेक्ट का नाम ही उन्होंने अपना आदिराज जोड़ के रखा है उसके साथ। तो आज हम लोग बात करेंगे आदिराज कैपिटल सिटी के बारे में। और दिस प्रोजेक्ट इज एट खारगर, और इट्स अ वेरी बिग टाउनशिप, around 40 acres plot is there, and total 20 towers are there, in which 9 towers are launched. So in this 9 tower there are like three towers, combined towers are there, and it's a high-rise tower with 55 story total, with 5 level podium, and around 49 to 50 habitual floors are there. So total 5 level podium parking is there, and it's a very fantastic township. So we will discuss as we go through the PPT. We will discuss about this. So let's start with PPT. So friends, this is how the elevation of the building is, and as you see, this is it's a very fantastic township. This is the elevation of the building, and this is how the township will look. So seeing the township, you can imagine how beautiful the project is. There are many towers, lightly shaded are which is going to come up. अभी तक उनका काम शुरू नहीं किया है, लेकिन जो बैक साइड का आप देख रहे हो वहाँ पर उन्होंने कुछ टोटल 9 टावर्स का काम शुरू किया है। तो ये 9 टावर्स में इनके टोटल जो है अराउंड, जैसे मैंने आपको बताया, 9 बिल्डिंग्स है जिसका रेरा आ चुका है, और इसका बुकिंग अब चल रहा है 9 टावर्स का। और एमिनिटीज़ वाइज आप देखोगे काफ़ी बड़ा स्पेस है बीच में इन्होंने दिया हुआ है, जिसमें स्विमिंग पूल, हेल्थ क्लब, जिम्नाजियम, स्पा एंड एवरीथिंग इज़ देयर। एंड उसके नीचे बिल्कुल नीचे आप देखेंगे टोटल 5 लेवल पोडियम पार्किंग है। यहाँ पर आप देखोगे, जैसे मेरा कर्सर मैं आपको बता रहा हूँ, यहाँ पर आप देखोगे 5 लेवल पोडियम पार्किंग है। उस पोडियम के ऊपर इन्होंने सारा एमिनिटीज यहाँ पर दिया हुआ है। और जो टावर्स की बात कर रहे हैं हम लोग अभी, ये जो लाइटिंग वाला टावर्स है इसकी बात कर रहे हैं। बैक साइड में भी यहाँ पर जो लाइटिंग वाले टावर्स है इसकी बात कर रहे हैं हम लोग अभी। तो ये टोटल टावर्स जो है 55 स्टोरी टावर्स है विद 5 लेवल पोडियम। सो हैबिचुअल you will get somewhere around 49 story you will get habitual floors. And the areas, if you see, areas are around 2 BHK and the 3 BHK flats are there. So hello friends, they have 2 types of areas are there, 2 BHK and 3 BHK flats. So 2 BHK area is around 660 carpet. Price starts from 81 lakhs onwards, and 3 BHK is 950 carpet, and price starts from 1 crore 16 lakhs onwards. So price is very lucrative and it's a very reasonable price. So let's see the other pictures too. This is internal picture of the flat, where you can see the bedroom picture. Of course, the interior has been done by the developer. So this is the picture of the sample flat. So this is how you can see, even if the bed is there and the window is a French cut window. So bedroom sizes are big, carpet area is very good. This is outer amenities, swimming pool is there, and it's a huge swimming pool because the plot size is big, complex size is big. So swimming pool is huge, and it's very glamorous swimming pool and the surrounding areas they are making. Again, the entrance lobby you see, it's very spacious. This is again the track below, where walking track is there, and there's the shade on top. So even on these are some of the elevation they have made this way. So the landscape which you said, it looks very glamorous. So it's basically capital city in Kharghar, Adhiraj capital city. So Kharghar is one of the best upcoming area in Mumbai. It is not far from Mumbai. It is around 70 kilometers from Mumbai, and it is on the way to Lonavala. So from last 10 years, Kharghar is developed, and it's still developing very fast, and it has very high-rise tower. So reason of developing is just the main reason is that the airport is coming up there. So though the airport is delayed, but another 2 years or 3 years time, any moment they might start the airport. So because of that, also prices are of Kharghar is it's gone very high, and once the airport comes up, then the prices will shoot up. It will shoot up very high. So these are some of the how the Kharghar looks basically. So it is not less than Mumbai. In fact, Mumbai is more congested, and the surrounding areas you don't see so much greeneries and all. So in picture you are seeing that all greeneries are there, and high-rise commercial buildings are there, high-rise towers are there, and wide roads are there. These highways are basically very broad because it's a main road which is going to Lonavala and to Pune, and even further to Mahabaleshwar. So the main highway is very big, and even the city is very glamorous. Basically, Kharghar comes in Navi Mumbai. It's a small portion in Navi Mumbai, but more than Navi Mumbai, Kharghar is developing more. It is more better developed area. Again, this is the front side of the building. I think so. They are giving some commercial premise in the front side. It's worth investing in capital city. Of course, it was because the prices are very lucrative, and the sizes of 2 BHK and 3 BHK flats are there. So definitely the prices can shoot up anytime, and it's a right product. And you should always go in these type of big complex, because वहाँ पर जो amenities और वहाँ पर जो facilities वगैरह होती है, वो बच्चों को और family को ज़्यादा पसंद आती है. Instead of going for a single standalone building, you should always go for these type of buildings where you get more facilities because of the big complex. Again, this I was speaking just now. Airport is it might any moment they might start 1 or 2 years time. So Kharghar will be the main hub for the international air traveling. So because of the airport itself, the Kharghar has been come up. Again, when you see in this plan, this is Vashi Bridge, which we crossed from here, and this is the main blue line. This is the main highway, and this road goes straight further to Lonavala. So this portion over here, this round circle is Kharghar over here, and this green part is capital city. This one over here. So it's in Kharghar, and the location is also very good. So backside, if you see, these are all forest area over here, so which is very glamorous. Airport is coming over here. This you can see the airport. So hardly, I think so, 4 to 5 kilometers you travel, you will see the airport over here. It is slightly away from the Kharghar city. They have, because this portion is it's a very vast portion, and this is empty space over here. So even if from Mumbai, people want to travel from Mumbai, they don't have to cross all the way from New Bombay and reach to Kharghar over here. There's a bridge coming from here, which will land here somewhere over here, and this bridge is coming from Kulaba. So people who are staying in Bandra, they have to just go to Kulaba and jump the flyover from here, and they will reach to the airport. And again, those who want to stay in Kharghar, they can come directly over here. Who are staying in Borivali and this side, they can cross all the way from here, and they can come to this airport over here. So because of all this reason, Kharghar is developing very fast. Again, these are some of the commercial buildings which you see on the picture. Now there is one BKC 2 which is also coming up in Kharghar. BKC 2 is like Bandra BKC, and it's double the size of BKC, and the whole area is a commercial area. So you can imagine how large and in how big scale the commercial area is coming up in Kharghar, because people are shifting their office. Mostly they are shifting out of Mumbai, where they can't afford for big space rent in Mumbai, like in the BKC, there the rents are very high. So big companies they won't mind shifting their office to Kharghar, because they get a bigger space, and plus they get the latest amenity, and again they get all latest features in the building. So this is again the plus point of Kharghar. These are some of the images of the architecture. Designed by AEDAS. Again, here you see the commercial space below. Design panel, which I showed you swimming pool before, and left side is the garden area. These are some of the internal amenities. Here you see, though the picture it is very small, I just show it to you. These are internal amenities. I think so. It's for the children play group area. This is swimming pool, and this is again, you can say it looks like a restaurant, and this could be a spa area. Again, this is spa area. This is golf, gymnasium. This is the view from the building which you see. Restaurant, again children play park area, spa area, and children mountain climbing area. Actually, lots of amenities builder has given. Only few amenities are shown in the picture, but amenities are more than around 50 amenities are there. These are few glimpses of Kharghar. You can see these are some of the glimpses of the project also. Again, the same commercial photo, swimming pool, cricket pitch is there, football is there, long tennis is there, gymnasium is there, yoga center is there, jacuzzi, massage center, restaurant, mini theater. This is inside the flat, of course, for the family celebrating. This is a mini theater which I was talking about. And they have made very good mini theater is there, because you can anybody wants to display on the screen, so they have a good screen also, and plus they have a stage also. If anybody wants to perform some stage show, then stage show is there. Lecture can be performed, or any virtual tour on screen. If anybody wants to share, then these type of theater they have made. And even a disco party, because top you can see there are so many lightnings are fitted over here on top. So if here anybody, like suppose they want to celebrate a New Year party, then that time also these lightnings can be used, and a New Year party can also be celebrated over here, or any wedding party or anything, something like that. So for all purpose this hall can be used. Again, children centers where indoor games are there and libraries are there. This you have seen, commercial space in front. Ecosystem is very good. You get all the shopping malls and schools and colleges and doctors and hospitals in Kharghar are very close by. So if you move outside the complex for shopping also, so आपको हर चीज आसानी से बहुत ही नज़दीक में मिल जाएगी, बहुत दूर जाने की आपको ज़रूरत नहीं। और वो वहाँ पर बहुत ही ब्रांडेड शोरूम्स भी अवेलेबल है। तो ऐसा नहीं कि खारघर इज आउट ऑफ मुंबई, सो तो मतलब थोड़ा सा आइसोलेटेड या बैकवर्ड एरिया, ऐसा कुछ नहीं। वहाँ पर बाहर आप जाओगे घूमने के लिए तो काफ़ी आपको जो ब्रांडेड शोरूम्स होते हैं, कपड़े से लेके, खाने पीने से लेके, एनी प्रोडक्ट से लेके, कोई भी प्रोडक्ट आप लोगे तो एवरीथिंग इज देयर इन खारघर। Again, this is stage show. Nowadays, a podcast is very famous, so they have organized this show also. So here you can perform some podcast or some melody or some song Again, a stage show, dance performance over here, and this is the theater which I showed you earlier. In Kharghar, ISKCON temple is very famous. People normally from Mumbai, they travel to Kharghar and they go especially to a ISKCON temple. So this is ISKCON temple in Kharghar, and it's very famous. This is top view of the building, so you can see how the layout of the plan looks. It's not a floor plan, basically it's a layout of the plot. Again, the elevation of the building will be somewhat this way. Same internal amenities. There's a I think so. It's a football, long tennis, or some ground is there over here, and your garden is there. Swimming pool is there. Again, this is inside amenities. I'm sorry, inside the picture of the flat. So that's all for today, friends. And if you have any inquiry, you can contact me on my number. I will share you the number just now, immediately after this screen. So thank you for watching this show, and I'll be getting more these type of videos to you. So if you would like to wants me to get more videos of this type, तो फिर मेरा एक हक तो बनता है, that is like and subscribe कर. Thank you very much.